Hey guys, Mobile Geezer back with, I think, my last earbuds unboxing for a while. I told you I kind of fell into this whole thing with the earbuds, and these were the ones I featured in an article from Gizmodo on last week's Friday Night Tech Talk. And they have the first earbud tech advancement in many, many years. Told you I'd be picking them up, so here they are.
Let's do this!
So let's open up the box and check them out. We'll put the earbuds aside for a moment. Okay, here's our extra ear tips. And our power cable. The usual paperwork in quite a few languages. So here's the earbuds, quite an attractive presentation. Translucent black and copper. That's a really, really nice looking color. So taking them out, we'll peel off the little pieces of plastic around each stem. And you can see them blinking ready to pair, so let's see if we can get them paired up. Had my Moto G Power 2023 nearby, so we'll pair it up with that. Go with the settings. Connected devices. And pair new device. And it found the earbuds right away. So we'll pair them up. And we're paired up, ready to go. And we'll get the earbuds in my ear, see how they fit. And I told you the standard one usually fits me pretty good. So let's listen to something. I'm going to go with Mozart's Eine kleine Nachtmusik, which you guys know is one of my favorite ones to listen to for the first time. And you can see I said wow, even though you can't hear it. But I'm quite pleased. And I gotta say, for the first time hearing them, pretty spectacular. Of course, I'll be letting you guys know after I use them a while, but they sounded really good out of the box. I'm quite impressed. So that's our first look at the Creator Aurvana Ace 2 earbuds, which have brand new technology sound-wise inside them. And you can count on the fact that I'll be testing them against the other ones I've gotten in the last few weeks and my favorites also. So right now, $129.99 at the creative.com website. That's $20 off the regular price. And I can't for sure say they're worth it right now, but I'm certainly leaning that way already. So as always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like my content, please share the videos with friends, family, or whomever you think might be interested. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I upload. And please hit the thumbs up, as it does help with the algorithm.
So there's one other thing.
We all do better when we love each other.
Yeah.